Hey, good morning, everyone. Juniors, seniors. Proficiency exam is getting closer. Proficiency exam is our headache. Let's deal with that. Let's get rid of it. Problem number 41. The table below shows the total distance and the number of hours Don rode his bicycle on each of 4 days. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday. We have the distance in miles. We have the number of hours. The question is, based on the table, on which day did Don ride at the greatest average speed? Well, how can we find that? This is a very simple problem. 5th grade, I will say. 5th grade level, right? To find the average speed, you have to find what? Usually speed is distance over time, right? That will give you the average speed. And you will go for each one of them. Let's say speed for Monday would be what? Distance that Don rode on Monday over the time that took him to row that distance on Monday. Distance 38, time 2 hours. What do you get? 19. 19 what? Miles per hour. Okay, that was Monday. Let's see Wednesday. The speed, the average speed on Wednesday would be the distance on Wednesday divided by the time for that distance on Wednesday. 33 miles over 1.5 hours, right? Well, because we don't like decimals in our fraction, we can multiply top and bottom by what? By 10, which gives you what fraction? 330 over 15. Let's simplify. Every one of them is divisible by 3. Well, you can see it's divisible by 15, but if you don't see that, let's go by 3. 15 divided by 3 is 5. 330 divided by 3 is 110. Now 5 goes in 110. How many times? 5 goes in 10. 2 times, and in 10, 2 times. What is the average speed? Miles per hour. What is the question? Greatest. It looks like A is not good because Wednesday we have a greater average speed. Moving on. Average speed for Friday will be the distance traveled on Friday divided by the time for Friday. Equals what? Distance 18, time 0.75. Now to simplify this one, there are many ways. One way would be to basically write instead of 0.75 what? 3/4, right? 18 divided by 3/4, skip, flip, multiply will be 18 times the reciprocal of 3/4, which is 4 over 3, and that equals what? Well, 3 goes in 18 6 times. 6 times 4, 24 miles per hour. Looks like so far this is the greatest speed, right? Let's try the Saturday one. Saturday average speed. S sub S, distance for Saturday divided by time on Saturday equals 45 divided by 2.25. You know what? I'm going to do a trick here. My trick will be to multiply top and bottom by 2. I don't know if it's going to work. Actually, not by 2. How about, well, I'm thinking about here, what should I multiply? Maybe by 4. Okay, let's do it by 4. So times 4 times 4 equals 45 times 4. Well, 45 times 2 is 90, times 4 will be 180, right? If you don't believe me, 4 times 5 is 20, 4 times 4, 16, plus 2, 18. The bottom one, 2.25 times 4, well, 0.25 times 4 is 1, 4 times 2 is 1. 8 plus 1, 9. And now it's much easier. 9 goes in 180 20 times. Obviously, we have still miles per hour. That's the unit. And no, this is not the greatest one. Friday seems to be the greatest average speed for some reason. Don was riding his bike faster on Friday for some would say obvious reasons. Why? Well, Friday is, last day of the week. Maybe he was happy that, weekend started and whatever other reasons. Maybe there was a party going on or he was planning to go to a party. You guys can fill this in with whatever you think the reason was. But this is it, okay? This is the way you solve a problem that requires you to find the greatest average speed or the average speed in general, distance over time. Okay, thank you.